I was a little nervous, I have to say, about how people in my family would react. And there was this one person in my family who's a very religious person.
Like गाली दे रहे हैं ये लोग तेरी तरह ऐसे ऐसे करके. And then I was like, I should leave home. मैं गया अपना बाहर काम वाम करने के लिए 3-4 घंटे बाद मैं आया तो they were on 4th episode. So I'm like, wait a second. अभी तो बोल रही थी कि ये क्या है ऐसा है वैसा है. Run away from home to become an actor. I went to the film school to study acting after I informed my father on the phone that I'm going for 2 years. And he said, pack your bags and leave before I come.
Strength एक moment से नहीं आती. I think वो धीरे with a lot of, and we still keep finding it. I got this skin disease which is called contagious molluscum and it's very bad. So your entire face gets filled with these water bubbles.
The more body of work that is behind you, which gets a certain kind of love and you have a certain kind of standing, the more people expect from you. And the second problem is you can't do something that you've done before. So this thing gets even more limited. You know, your options keep getting more and more limited as you go along.
This is Nawaz Kochar joining you on Indian Express, and I'm in conversation with the very amazing team of Mirzapur. We have with us Harshita Gaur, Vijay Verma and Rasika Duggal. Hello guys, how are you all?
Hi.
Very well, thank you.
How are you?
Very well. I want to begin asking you all that, was there the slightest of anticipation that the show, the characters would go so big?
No.
No.
Not at
That's
all.
the simple answer,
Yeah.
actually. I mean, and everything that happened after that has been overwhelming in the most joyous way possible, because it's not something that I had ever imagined. I think when the memes started coming after season 1 had released, I was so excited. I was like, "Ye bhi hota hai." I didn't know.
Yeah.
Wow. Also, has there ever been a moment where people have walked up to you and, given you a certain feedback, based on the character from the show?
Feedback, wow, that's a...
First season के बाद में तो response आया ही होगा सबको.
Feedback...
Lots. I mean, people don't shy away from giving feedback to actors and advice. So,
True, वो scrutiny तो बहुत होती है, but ऐसा कुछ जो आपको याद रहा हो types.
So because I had what people want to call bold scenes in season 1, and I was a little nervous, I have to say, about how people in my family would react. And there was this one person in my family who's a very religious person, and I met them, and I kind of didn't want to talk about Mirzapur in particular, but he had watched the show, and he's married to my aunt, and he said, he came to me and he said, "I'm very proud of you for the role that you've done. It's such a beautiful character, and you've done it with no inhibitions, and I'm very proud of you." So I was very impressed. I was like, see, my perception of somebody was that they would be...
This happened to me as well. My mom, I'd ask her not to watch, like I'd ask my family not to watch the show. But the kids, my nieces have grown and they are 18 plus, so they started watching it and they probably started talking to each other. My mom heard. So then they had to be nice to the nanny and show it to her. I said no. And when they visited me in Bombay, because they knew कि पीछे से करेंगे तो डांट पड़ सकती है, तो मेरे सामने एक एपिसोड लगा दिया मेरी my niece played it for my mom and my niece was like वो मेरे को बोल रहे लगाने के लिए तो मैं लगा दी. So then she played the episode and my mom in the first episode itself she screamed at me a few times and she's like गाली दे रहे हैं ये लोग तेरी तरह ऐसे ऐसे करके. And then I was like I should leave home. मैं गया अपना बाहर काम वाम करने के लिए 3-4 घंटे बाद मैं आया तो they were on 4th episode. So I'm like wait a second. अभी तो बोल रही थी कि ये क्या है ऐसा है वैसा है. Now she's hooked on, and then they finished the 1 season in 2 days.
उनके साथ मिर्जापुर हो गया.
And then next day she's like, अब इसका आगे वाला दिखाओ. So then they watched the season in which I was also there, second season. So I figured कि this show, we might think that this is not for this person, that person, but the show decides its own audience actually.
Absolutely. What about you?
मतलब ऐसा वही अगेन फीडबैक फ्रॉम पीपल तो आते रहता है. मुझे लगता है कि मिर्जापुर आने के बाद अगर मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई भी पिक्चर डाली है विच इज़ प्रॉबेबली नॉट इन डिम्पी स्टाइल, विच इज़ लाइक आई एम वेयरिंग, तो सबका ऐसे फोटोज नहीं डालते गुड्डू भैया की बहन हो तुम, मतलब ऑडियंस इज लाइक ऑन कि ये नहीं करना, किसी लड़के के साथ पिक्चर डाल दी तो गुड्डू भैया आ जाएंगे, मतलब इट्स लाइक कि आप
सारे लोंडे भाई बन गए।
हाँ,
सब भाई बन
गए सब, एंड इनफैक्ट but Ali called me. He's like, I mean, for another time, but yeah.
In terms of just these physical things like language and
हाँ जी
नहीं, हमारे कॉलेज में बहुत रैगिंग हुई थी, हमने
सुन सुना क्या है,
हम सुना
देख
क्या
दिखा
है।
के सुन सुना के खिला क्या है।
But my character I've consciously tried to keep with me because of the fact that क्योंकि वो बहुत करेक्ट, मॉरली करेक्ट और बहुत डिसाइसिव है और मैं बहुत फिकल माइंडेड हूँ रियल लाइफ में, तो वो आई हैव हेल्ड ऑन टू इट पर्पसली, क्योंकि मेरा कैरेक्टर कुछ गलत तो कर नहीं रहा है, तो मुझे वो गाली की टेंशन थी नहीं कि, बट या सो आई फ्यूल्ड माय रियल लाइफ फ्रॉम दैट रियल कैरेक्टर.
Amazing. You know, I was just talking to Gurmeet and he said something very interesting, that every character in Mirzapur is surviving in a world where survival is very difficult. They are living in that kind of a world. And coincidentally, we all as human beings also live in a world which keeps throwing curveballs at us at any given point in time. I want to know personally, you know, each one of you in this journey called life, what has been the toughest choice or toughest phase that, you know, it changed you as a person, and, you know, probably it either gave you a big lesson or it made, or you feel really proud about, you know, passing through that time?
I always find it hard to answer this question because it's not about the bigger things. Like I can't even narrate an incident where something big happened, where I learned some. It's really many small things
Hanji.
which are very often. I feel like this almost all the time, if you ask me, you know, because it's like constantly reassessing where you are. And I think this career sort of does that to you. You work with different people all the time and in different capacities. So you kind of have to, you're not set into a pattern of hierarchies or discipline or a system, right? So it always sort of challenges the way you think about things, how you should be conducting yourself in a certain situation, also always about reassessing yourself. So you're always kept on your toes for these things. So I can't really identify one big dhamakedar moment like that, which, but I think a bunch of these.
What about you,
I
Vijay?
think if whoever is here working and having a certain kind of a career must have done a lot of stuff right in order to win this game of survival of the fittest.
Right.
And all these choices you made, and all the no's that you said, and all the yeses that you did, and all the losses that you suffer, and all the wins that you celebrated, it's all part of the journey. And I think it was a brave choice for me just to run away from home to become an actor. I went to the film school to study acting after I informed my father on the phone that I'm going for 2 years, and he said, pack your bags and leave before I come. So I think that was
You'd already got through them.
I did everything. I got the seat, but I didn't have the permission or the money. Then my friend from Hyderabad, he lent me the fees.
Vijay. I've heard this before
You
from
must
you.
have met him also.
हाँ, I
my
met him at your party.
So he gave the fee, said, fees मैं दे दूँगा. Mom said, if father says yes, you go. And I knew father wouldn't say yes, so I called him on the phone when he was traveling. I knew I packed my bags, and I just, before leaving, I was like, एक call कर देता हूँ. Otherwise, he'll come back and, you know, it won't be nice for my mom. So I called, he said, you better leave before I even come. So I
But after you made it big, what was...
So he took that as a permission.
yeah.
After you made it big, what was the reaction?
It took 7.5 years for him to talk to me.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think a small moment, ये मतलब one big moment happens, but वो how Rasika said कि strength एक moment से नहीं आती. I think वो धीरे with a lot of, and we still keep finding it. But I also have a small story to share. In very early in my career, because हमारे actors के लिए हमारा face obviously because it's on the screen is very important. I got this skin disease which is called contagious molluscum, and it's very bad. So your entire face gets filled with these water bubbles. And वो makeup से भी छुपते नहीं है because it's like
bumps.
Yeah, bumps, and it has no cure.
Oh, damn.
So allopathy has no cure in it.
Autoimmune.
Homeopathy says that it naturally goes in between 2 to 9 years. It can stay on your face, and it's allopathy says we can prick it, but it's so contagious. That's why the name contagious molluscum. So I used to do this show Sada Ha Kaun Chanavi,
Yes.
and मतलब creators started saying कि अरे क्या हो रहा है उसके face को क्या हो रहा है, and I was my first show, so I was so disheartened. I used to just go back home, cry,
Yeah.
and one day I decided कि मैं खुद को ठीक करूँगी. So I started going all the people who probably had this और Google पे सब search वर्च करके. Then I said few things, apple cider vinegar. तो मेरा ये routine होता था कि 12 घंटे, actually 14 घंटे की shooting TV में आके I used to put the apple cider vinegar everywhere. I literally, and then I had to do so many events between that. I said, I'm not gonna cry. And in 1 month, one and a half month,
It's
I
subsided.
did cure. हाँ, because वो dry हो गए थे, बहुत dry हो गए और फिर वो chip होके निकलने लग गए. But it was a huge risk because allopathy said that we don't recommend it.
Yeah.
It's a very acidic thing for your face. So we
Might
don't.
not
I
work.
said वैसे भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, वैसे भी I'm suffering every day. And I think that moment gave me a lot of strength to sort
Yeah.
of आगे
Overcome.
आज अगर कोई मुश्किल situation होती है तो I look back कि if I could pass that,
yeah.
then that gives me the strength to pass this also.
Yeah.
As an actor, taking that risk is kudos to you.
Yes.
Yeah, I was anyway suffering. I was like,
That's a
fuck
tough
it.
time.
Sorry.
It's a very tough and very lonely time. You know.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Also, you know, in this day and age, there's a lot of work available. You know, in a way, you know, a lot of actors say that it is the best time to be an actor also. But how careful do you have to be with the professional choices you make today?
You got to be careful, man. You know.
You can be as careful as you want and you'll still mess up. You can
I
be.
mean, yeah, you can be careful to a certain degree that you found the right script, you found the right role, right collaborators. Beyond that, and you do your job nicely. उसके बाद में तो फिर भी तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है चीजें. So things can go sour anytime. But yeah, you've got to be careful because the more body of work that is behind you, which gets a certain kind of love and you have a certain kind of standing, the more people expect from you. And the second problem is you can't do something that you've done before. So your this thing gets even more limited. You know, your options keep getting more and more limited as you go along. Like I've played serial killer for the heart, right? And then I decided I can't play a psychopath again because it kills the whole joy for me if I do it again. So I had to play once. Double role I've done here. I've said no to 2 other double role scripts.
Right.
But that's also a privilege.
Huh?
Glad. I mean, that's a privilege too also.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
then,
to
then,
say no
you
also
know,
at
so
times is a
your work
privilege.
starts to narrow down because you've done something and you can't. वो आते ही सब लोग बोलेंगे ये तो उसने कर लिया है पहले. You know, because people are waiting to.
But it's very hard to say no.
judgment,
Right.
I find it very
I
hard.
find it
to
very nice to, very easy to say
But
no.
what I've personally
very hard.
understood is now I don't probably want to look at something कि यार इससे क्या हो जाएगा या ये करना चाहिए just because this is something. I think that okay, if something's coming my way and if I want to do it, then let's just do it because उसका जो destiny है वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. वो कहाँ पहुँचेगा, it's not in your hands. And then when you get privileged enough, when you can say no to things, then you do that.
I think the most times I've said no to things is when I've had nothing. You know, I've very confidently said no at that time because I felt like there was nothing to lose. Yeah. Now the fear is there, like Vijay has said, you know. Like now the fear is there because the stakes are higher, right? What you can get can be really beautiful. And what you do, if it turns out badly, can really pull you down, you know. Earlier it was a clean slate, यार कुछ काम ही नहीं था तो जो आ रहा था it was a bonus and बड़ी हिम्मत से और बड़ी fearlessly मैं ना बोल देती थी. अभी भी ना बोलती हूँ लेकिन fearfully. सोच समझ के.
But do you all sit back and watch your work at times?
Yeah, I do.
No, I haven't revisited any of my old projects.
But how's it feeling watching yourself on camera?
I don't.
I
don't
love
watch any
it.
of the interviews or any of
I
the-
love watching myself on camera.
Yeah.
But not while shooting. Because
Okay.
I find it very disturbing.
Yeah.
ये मुझे पता है मैं स्क्रीन पे जाके देखूंगी और मुझे 1000 चीजें समझ में आ जाएंगी कि अरे ये नहीं, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं दिखना चाहिए था. So that is one thing, a conscious decision that I don't want to see while acting in the scene. But post that, I love watching myself on screen.
What about
I think
you?
it's rewarding and troublesome in equal measures. It depends on the day, really. There's some days that I look at the work that I've done and I'm like, oh my God, what was I thinking? And there are some days I'm like, wow, everything was working and aligning. You know, what happened? Like,
I watched the first day of the release or the first day of the drop, if it starts streaming. And
Of season 2?
Of whatever
Okay.
comes out of my work. वो पहले दिन मैं ऑडियंस की तरह देखता हूँ because by the time I'm watching it, I probably shot it 2 years, year and a half, sometimes 3 years ago. I dubbed it like a year and a half ago. I'd forgotten most of it. So I like to watch it fresh as an audience and make memories with that and then forget about it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Also, you know, lastly, if there has to be one lesson that Mirzapur has taught you all, what would that be?
The dialogues can be memeable.
So say it in a way which is.
I have to say, when I was reading the script of season 3, at one point my mind did go there. I'm like, ये तो लग रहा है meme बनेगा.
I think Mirzapur was a great mirror for me to understand how big is our audience base.
Right.
It just suddenly you realize that, okay, so, because I've had releases, right? And if I compare
Yes.
it, it's vastly more popular.
Amazing.
I think when one came out, post that season 1 came out, I learned that don't underestimate the power of even the smallest characters. So, I mean, they can blow up and like
Yeah.
become people's favorite, and you wouldn't even. I mean, that's what Mirzapur taught me personally.
Yeah.
I'll really second what Vijay said, that, you know, it's really to see the love from a really wide audience and to constantly be
Right.
asked about something is very, very special. I've not had it before Mirzapur. And
Yeah, none of us, like,
it's
yeah.
quite
Yeah,
nice
it's
to
just
have
one-
around.
It's one side.